How to use TurboTax to simply file your returns, your taxes here from your mobile phone or from the official website of TurboTax. Now, welcome to this video, and in this video, I'm going to show you all the steps regarding how you can simply file a tax sheet just on the TurboTax. For this, I'm going to take a reference to the official website where that's mentioned that whether you're filing your taxes for the first time or the for 50th time, it's always a good idea to gather your tax information early so that you can prepare your return and file faster. Now, the IRS will offer two methods for filing your taxes, that is, electronic or through the email filing has grown to be the most popular method to file your returns. Now, this is how you can do it. Regardless of your preference for filing your taxes, the basic process is the same. Gather the document you will need to file your taxes, calculate your taxable income by tallying your gross income, claim all the applicable tax deduction and credits, and then file your tax return with the IRS. So this is how you can exactly do it. These are the forms here. You can see every type of form is present here. You just have to check that what form will be the most suitable for you. Now, how you can do the taxes online? First step is prepare the tax form by hand and mailing them in using online tax software to prepare the required forms through on-screen prompt and the guidance. Hiring a tax professional to handle it for you. So you can also do it. Click on these three dots. Here, click on the pricing, support, resources, business taxes, or do it yourself. Do your own personal taxes, and then you can do it simply from this way. This is the video. Thank you so much for watching it, and please subscribe to the channel.